Hey everyone, do you dream of working at Google? Well, here's some fantastic news. Google is hiring engineering interns for their 2025 step program. If you're excited about coding and ready to dive into one of the most innovative companies in the world, this opportunity could be your gateway to a successful career in tech. Let's dive into the details. This role is called the Student Training and Engineering Program Intern. And here's the best part, it's happening in some of India's top cities. Locations available include Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Gurugram, and Mumbai. This internship runs from May to August 2025, giving you a whole summer of learning, networking, and hands-on experience at Google. So, Google are we looking for? If you're a college student with a love for coding, problem solving, and learning new things in a fast-paced, high-energy environment, this internship is designed for you. Let's talk skills. Google is looking for candidates with excellent programming abilities. You should be proficient in languages like C++, Java, or Python. Plus, since you'll be working closely with talented engineers, it's essential to communicate fluently in English to participate effectively in technical discussions. Now, if you're wondering how to prepare, here are some practical tips to help you stand out as a candidate. First, practice coding regularly on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal. Consistent practice will help you build confidence and improve your problem-solving skills. Join coding communities either online or in college. Learning with others, sharing insights, and collaborating on projects can help you deepen your knowledge. And lastly, work on your communication skills. Try explaining your code to a friend or participate in mock technical interviews to get comfortable with discussing your solutions. Imagine spending your summer at Google working on real projects, learning from industry experts, and contributing to innovative ideas. This internship is not just a resume boost, it's a chance to experience Google's culture of creativity and innovation firsthand. Excited to apply? Please comment yes, I will share you in link in comment box. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to start your tech career with one of the most inspiring companies in the world, this is your chance. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who dreams of working at Google. Good luck, future Googlers.